Welcome to my channel and don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon product reviews. Today, let's talk about the innovative jar with flip strainer, perfect for pickle lovers. The upgraded leak-proof lid features a silicone airtight seal, keeping your pickles fresh for longer. Plus, the non-slip bottom ensures it stays secure in your fridge or cupboard, preventing spills. This jar is made from high-quality borosilicate glass, making it durable and safe for all your foods. The lid and bottom are crafted from BPA-free plastic and silicone, ensuring your pickles and veggies stay fresh and safe to eat. It's also dishwasher and fridge safe, so cleaning and storing are hassle-free. The wide-mouth design and detachable silicone strainer make it easy to access and clean. With a simple flip, you can drain the liquid from your pickles and keep them fresh and tasty. It's perfect for olives, jalapenos, or even maraschino cherries. With a large capacity of 34 Oz, this jar is great for storing all your favorite pickled items. It also makes a great gift for any food lover. Keep your kitchen organized and your pickles fresh with this fantastic jar. Number 2. Electric Lunchbox, a perfect solution for warming your meals on the go. With a 20-ounce capacity, it's ideal for soups, leftovers, chile, and more. It's portable, making it great for work, school, or travel. The detachable power cord keeps everything clutter-free, and the seal and store lid prevents spills during transport. No more worrying about leaks in your bag. The lunchbox combines convenience with style, featuring a modern vintage look in a beautiful blush pink. The soft-touch exterior has a rubberized matte finish, which feels smooth and adds a premium touch. Cleanup is a breeze too, as the dishwasher-safe container and inner lid ensure easy maintenance. You also get the warming base, lid, and power cord included. Whether you're at the office or on the move, this electric lunchbox makes it easy to enjoy hot meals anywhere. It's both practical and stylish, with high-quality components built to last. Give your leftovers new life with this handy portable solution. Number 3. Folding Bench Scraper, a must-have kitchen tool for bakers and home cooks. This scraper features a practical design with a stainless steel sheet and a food-grade silicone exterior. The silicone provides excellent flexibility and heat resistance, making it perfect for handling messy kitchen tasks. Its large size, about 6 by 4 inches, fits comfortably in your hand, and the curved edge is designed to work with different bowl sizes. This scraper helps you get every last bit of dough or batter, ensuring nothing goes to waste. The scraper is not only great for dividing dough, but also for folding sourdough without getting your hands sticky. Plus, it's handy for cleaning up plates and bowls, removing leftover food with ease. Made from durable materials, this scraper is easy to clean and protects your countertops from scratches. Its long-lasting stainless steel core makes it a better option than plastic alternatives. If you're looking for a versatile, reliable kitchen tool, the folding bench scraper is an excellent choice. Number 4. Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer, a perfect solution for anyone looking to extend the life of their stored food. This electric vacuum sealer comes with 2 sizes of mouth seals, making it compatible with both wide mouth and regular mouth mason jars. It's designed for versatility, and the setup is quick and simple. For the standard mouth seal, just align the red arrow on the converter with the unlock symbol on the unit, twist it into place, and you're ready to go. This kit includes everything you need: the electric vacuum sealer itself, a wide mouth sealer, a standard mouth converter, and even 10 mason jar lids, 5 for wide mouths and 5 for regular mouths. Whether you're storing pantry items or prepping food, this vacuum sealing system removes air to keep your food fresher for longer, which is a game changer for anyone into food preservation or meal prepping. Using this vacuum sealer is incredibly easy. Place it over the jar, press the button, and let it do its work. In about 40 seconds, all the air is removed, and you've got a perfectly sealed jar. No more hassle of manually pumping 10 to 20 times like the old-fashioned vacuum sealers. Just press the button and let it seal for you, simple and effective. Another great feature is the cordless, portable design. If you don't have a big, bulky vacuum sealer, this is an excellent alternative. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry on picnics or trips. You can vacuum seal your jars anywhere, anytime, without the need for large equipment or extra accessories. If you're looking to save space, reduce waste, and keep your food fresh for longer, the Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer is the ideal choice. It's a handy kitchen tool that makes food storage easier and more efficient. Whether you're sealing homemade pickles, dried fruits, or anything in between, this vacuum sealer does the job with minimal effort. Number 5. Collapsible Measuring Cups by Grandfort, the perfect solution for saving space and measuring on the go. These cups are compactly designed, making them ideal for smaller kitchens, dorm rooms, or even for camping and traveling. With their portable design, you can take accurate measurements anywhere. The set includes 4 sizes of measuring cups and spoons, all made from food-grade silicone. The bright colors and clear, large print make it easy to read both standard and metric measurements. It's precise and perfect for measuring both liquids and solids. Cleaning is a breeze. The silicone is dishwasher safe, or you can wash it by hand with soap and water. Just unfold, measure, pour, and clean. Once dry, fold them back up and tuck them away. These collapsible measuring cups are not just practical but also fun to use. And with Grandfort's comprehensive after-sales service, you can buy with confidence. So whether you're cooking at home or on the go, this set will definitely become your must-have kitchen tool. Number 6. 2-pack cup slicer, a handy kitchen tool for quick and easy slicing. These slicers come in 2 vibrant colors, yellow and cyan, designed to slice eggs, fruits, and even garlic with just a simple press. Perfect for anyone who loves convenience in the kitchen. The high-quality stainless steel blades ensure precise cuts every time, while the durable plastic body is lightweight and easy to handle. With a smooth edge, it's safe to use without worrying about hurting your hands. Plus, it's reusable and super easy to clean. A thoughtful feature is the blade cover, which keeps the slicer clean and hygienic when not in use. Just cover it up and store it without any hassle. This versatile slicer works on a variety of foods: bananas, strawberries, kiwis, boiled eggs, and even mushrooms. It's perfect for making salads or prepping snacks quickly. With its compact size and wide application, the 2-pack cup slicer is a must-have kitchen gadget for anyone who wants to save time and effort. Number 7. Egg Separator, a simple yet essential tool for any kitchen. This innovative gadget is designed to make separating egg yolks from whites effortless and mess-free. With its raised edge, the separator allows you to easily crack eggs without making a mess. No more drips running down the sides of bowls and onto your counters. This feature keeps your workspace clean and tidy. One of the standout features is its ability to prevent eggshells from falling into your batter or recipes. The design ensures that only the yolk or white gets through, making your cooking process smoother. It fits virtually any bowl and has a comfortable, non-slip grip. This means you can use it with confidence, whether you're baking or cooking. Overall, the egg separator is a must-have tool for anyone who loves cooking and baking. It simplifies the process and keeps everything clean. Get ready to enjoy hassle-free egg separation. Number 8. Warehouse Club Cart Bag. Warehouse Club Cart Bag, designed for serious golfers. This high-quality nylon bag features a 14-way top organizer, ensuring each club has its own space. No more rattling clubs. Its lightweight construction includes multiple handles for easy lifting. With 9 zippered pockets and an insulated cooler pocket, you'll have plenty of storage for all your essentials. Plus, it comes with handy features like a tea holder and a glove holder. Enjoy a full 12-month warranty from a trusted brand. Elevate your game with the Warehouse Club Cart Bag today. Number 9. Regular Store Cart Bags. These aren't just any grocery bags, they're a game changer for your shopping experience. Voiceover, crafted from heavy-duty, high-quality 120 GSM fabric, these bags can hold over 60 pounds each. They are designed to fit perfectly in carts at major stores like Kroger, Target, and Walmart. Voiceover, streamline your shopping with our trolley bags. They connect in the cart, providing easy access and visibility. Plus, they stand tall for effortless unloading at home. Voiceover, each set includes an insulated cooler bag, pockets for bottles, and mesh-bottomed bags to prevent spills. And yes, they're machine washable. Voiceover, versatile and easy to carry, these bags are perfect for any shopping trip, picnics, or even beach days. Voiceover, plus, 10% of profits go to charity, helping reduce plastic waste. Voiceover, with a money-back guarantee, these bags are a fantastic gift for eco-conscious shoppers. Upgrade your shopping today with Lotus. Number 10. Cup Caddy. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Cup Caddy from Comfy Cubs. This versatile organizer features 3 spacious compartments, making it perfect for storing all your baby essentials. Whether you need a nursery organizer, a car caddy for on-the-go changes, or a changing basket, this caddy has you covered. Not only is it practical, but it also adds a stylish touch to any nursery. Available in trendy colors like blush, Pacific blue, and sage, its generous size of 8.5 inches deep, 15 inches wide, and 8 inches high provides ample storage space. Made from premium cotton, this durable caddy is designed to last. It's perfect for new parents looking for functionality and style. Plus, it makes a fantastic gift. Whether added to a gift basket or given on its own, it's a thoughtful choice for any baby shower. With its wide-ranging functionality, this caddy is more than just a diaper holder, it's an essential fixture in any home.